Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the Remos Cuticle nipper in scissor shape. Stainless, item number 7522P. I am going to use this device to remove my hangnail or hangnail. Okay? Because I have often some hangnails on my fingers. And with that product, I can really awesome remove them easily without damage on my skin. You can see how to use this device. It's really easy. Aim it and then zip it off. Easy, really easy. Okay, again. You can see there it is, an awesome exemplar of an hangnail. It's not to cut nails of your hands, of course. It's only for hangnails and for cuticles. Okay? This device is available in lengths of 10 centimeters and 8 centimeters. You can choose by yourself. I'm using the 8 centimeter version. Accurate and fast, the Remos cuticle nippers are especially suitable for cutting the cuticle on hands and feet. Catch even the smallest cuticle particles. And it's made out of high quality materials. The pliers are made of stainless steel and have robust joints. No adjustment of screws needed. And it's handy. The cuticle nipper, with its scissor shape, provides inner grip and makes cutting cuticles faster and easier. The lengths of the cutting edges are 4.5 millimeters. These are 0.17 inches. The length is 8 or 10 centimeters. 3.1 inches or 3.9 inches is available. This is a Remos cuticle nipper in scissor shape. Hardened stainless steel, and it removes unwanted cuticles and, of course, the hangnails and hangnails too. But do not cut your fingernails or foot nails with that device. This is really important. Only cut the other things, the cuticles, with it. Length 8 centimeters, length of cutting edge is 4 millimeters, and you will get a sturdy box joint. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.